Hey everyone, welcome to my review of the Stanley Adventure Quencher Tumbler. I have the Star Wars version of the Stanley Tumbler right here, but there are so many different colors and sizes for the Adventure Quencher. You can get it in white, you can get it in pink, you can get it in blue, black, green, and you can get it in so many different sizes like 14 ounces, 20 ounces, 30 ounces, and even 40 ounces. And all of them are going to be car cup holder compatible, which is great because I hate when I buy a water bottle and it doesn't fit my cup holder. But with Stanley, the way that they designed these tumblers is that the bottom of it is way skinnier so it fits in any cup holder, and then the top is larger so that you can hold more liquid inside these tumblers. This is what the 30-ounce version looks like right here. You can see it's pretty big and hefty, but no matter what size you get, they're all gonna fit in cup holders. Now, Stanley is known for making water bottles and tumblers that keep your drinks cold for a long period of time. This specific tumbler right here keeps your hot drinks hot for 5 hours, keeps your cold drinks cold for 9 hours, and it can hold ice for up to 40 hours, which is absolutely insane. And that's because of the double-walled vacuum insulation that they use to build the cups with. That allows to keep your drinks cold or hot for a very long period of time. I love that they make these cups in all kinds of different sizes. So if you want one for a workout, then you can get a bigger one. Or if you want more of a kid size, then you can get a 14-ounce size as well. All of the lids for this tumblers contain a rubber sealer, so it screws on really easily and then seals tight to prevent your hot drinks from getting cold or to prevent your cold drinks from getting warm. All of the tumblers are dishwasher safe and you can carry them, especially the 40 ounces, because the 40 ounces come with a handle on the side, making it easier to carry. So if you're looking for a tumbler that's going to keep your hot drinks hot and keep your cold drinks cold for even a longer period of time, then I recommend checking out the Stanley Adventure Quencher Tumbler. They're drop proof, they fit in any cup holder, they're easy to carry, and they're just fun to drink out of. So if you're looking for a new tumbler, check out these Adventure Quencher tumblers from Stanley.